Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is on Decentraland.
Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. As Louis said, we are going to be talking about Decentraland today. This is not financial advice. We'll just be going through our opinion on Decentraland and what we think will happen next.
Sorry for not uploading for a week. I've been pretty ill, so you probably hear it in my voice still. But yeah, we're back now, so yeah, hope you enjoy this video. Let's get straight into it. So looking at Decentraland, it's got quite a high market cap and also quite a high price. So if we look at its all-time high, it was $1.63. And that with that market cap was about $2.5 billion. So we'd need about another $1 billion to flow into the market for it to go back to its all-time high or even break its all-time high. And that is a lot of money, to be honest. So it would be quite difficult for it to happen, but definitely if it's happened before, with what it's doing, then it's definitely possible. So we're not here to say it's not possible.
It is basically a virtual world and it's owned by its own users. You can create, explore, and trade. You can develop or you can be a builder. So you can choose which one you want to be doing. And you can also, as they say, you can create and test the limits of your imagination. So within cryptocurrency, there's not been something that allows you to do this other than Gala games. However, this actually allows you to create and develop and build your own ecosystem that you'd like. You can create scenes, artwork, challenges, and many more. Simple builder tool, and then take part in events to win prizes. As you can see here, you can also trade, okay, the virtual destination for digital assets. You can obviously buy and sell land and states, and as you know, within cryptocurrency, as it gets big, it's kind of like virtual real estate, so you can buy and sell land, and that is definitely something that many people will start getting involved in. And as they say, if you get involved in early, you can then choose what price you want to buy and sell at.
So we look at this price, we see $1.4 billion, but if we look at when they started, which was literally only in July 2020, so it's only been about a year, and they only started picking up this year. So they've not been around very long, and for where they've already got to, $1.4 billion in market cap and 83 cents in their price. So if you bought now, it's a very low price, and if it's been to $1.64, we know that other $1 billion can flow into this coin. So if you did do this and you bought land now, as the price goes up, your land will also go up in value. So it's like virtual real estate, so you can make money on these assets. You get to determine many things. So over the coming year, there'll be scheduling votes, so you can actually vote, as Hamza said, as he explained how it works. So for a range of issues, which included to um, upgrading land and estates to add more features and protocol upgrades, specifics and dates of future land auctions, size of marketplace fees, which are always in MANA that gets burnt, primary sales fees, which are always in MANA that gets burnt, addition and replacement of community run content servers, allocation of MANA grants to develop efforts, addition of new wearables to the Decentraland world, builder and marketplace, replacing players of the security council. So this is really good that everyone actually uses it. The people that use it get to decide what is happening in the project itself. So this is now the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed, and if you have, please make sure you press that like button and also subscribe. And once again, sorry about the 1 week absence. We are now back to it. So yeah, thank you. Have a lovely rest of your day.